Today's video is going to be about Raydium swap. It's essentially a decentralized exchange that allows you to swap Solana coins or any coin that's on Solana blockchain. You also have other blockchains out there that you could still use to swap your coins, but specifically focusing on Solana today and Raydium itself. So we're just gonna take a look at how to swap a coin on Raydium, and really it's only for any coin that's on Solana. So if you want to maybe swap a coin on Ethereum, then we have a different exchange for that as well. So just Solana coins using Raydium, decentralized exchange. So we're gonna see how we're gonna do it. So first things first, you need to head over to raydium.io, and you should be able to land on a page that looks something like this. You have a couple of options here: swap, liquidity, portfolio perpetuals, and then some also other things that's going on that is offered by Raydium itself. Today's focus is just simple swap spot, no futures, no perpetuals, no derivatives, nothing like that. Just simple, easy beginner, like how to swap using Raydium. So you're gonna obviously select swap. Make sure nothing else is selected. Just hit swap, and this is gonna be like your mini chart over here. You have like the time frames as well, and then you have what you're swapping. So as I said, it's only Solana, or you could do USDC or USDT or Raydium itself. So Solana is the native coin that you're using. Then you're gonna select the coin you want to buy. So let's just say I do PopCat. The PopCat chart comes up, you know what's going on, and then Solana 2. So you're gonna sell Solana for PopCat. Let's just say I'm putting in 1 Sol. So that's gonna give us about $150, and we are gonna get about 446 PopCat coins. Now make sure to connect your wallet. That's important because this is a decentralized exchange. They don't hold funds for you. You have to transfer funds to a self-custodial wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask or any wallet, any Solana wallet in our case. And if you click on my connect wallet, you're gonna see lots of wallets options come up here. You have BitGet, Solflare, Phantom. Solflare and Phantom are Solana wallets. BitGet is just like an overall wallet for like all the coins. So it doesn't matter what you use as long as you have funds in it and you connect it, and your Sol comes up, and then you can swap it for any coin that's on Solana. So, and then you could select it, you could put in the amount you want, and then it's gonna say swap here once you connect your wallet. So it's gonna swap it for you, and then your token is gonna show up in the wallet, not on the exchange, because it's a decentralized exchange as I mentioned. So your Solana is gonna be removed from your wallet, and the token you bought is gonna be inside of your wallet. So that's how it works essentially. So that's pretty simple. That's for Solana, for Raydium, and this was just a quick tutorial on how to do it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.